Hello everyone, this is Rocktelsa Vlogs. This is my life as a hotel housekeeper, so please watch this video till the end. Hi guys, this is me, Rocktelsa Vlogs, right here from Eurostrand. So this is my daily routine here as a worker of Eurostrand. So this is the bed, this is the bed sheet. You have to clean up, remove first all the bed sheets, the old bed sheets or the used bed sheets, and the fitted sheets. This is the fitted sheet, and this is the pillow. You have to remove first all the fitted sheets, the cover of the blanket, and the pillowcase. You have to remove, and you have to change with new one, and then clean the floor, neat and mop, and clean the tables. You have to prepare a water, clean here, and put this in the bed. This is a welcome card. This is the ref, the cruise rack. This is the heater. So you have to check up all the necessary things inside, and you have to clean the toilet, the bath, and the toilet. You have to clean very well. So, and you have to prepare the towels, the hand towel and the body towel. So you must be sure all is clean so that the guests will appreciate. Okay, I will see you later. So let's have a coffee break, guys, and then after the break go back to work. So just relax for a little bit time so that we have reserved energy. Hi guys, welcome back to Rocktelsa Vlogs. Hi guys, have a nice day to everyone. This is me, Rocktelsa, right here from the Eurostrand. So I'm going to show you the Eurostrand campus. This is it. It is composed of townhouses. So if you want to travel to Germany, especially here in the Rhineland-Pfalz, in the huge vineyard of Germany, this is one of the producers. Hi guys, this is Rocktelsa Vlogs right here from Eurostrand Hotel. So welcome to the Eurostrand. Sit back and relax, and I will show you of the compound of the campus of this Eurostrand Hotel and Resort. This is Rocktelsa vlogging right here from Eurostrand Hotel and Resort from London, Rhineland-Pfalz, Germany. Dito na ako guys, naglalakad. So this is my daily routine from work to house, from house to work every day. This is my daily routine. Walking here and going to work. This is the Eurostrand Hotel and Resort. So sit back and relax and join with me with my walking tour right here from Liven Mosel. So this is now the present view. It's autumn season, so the leaves of the grape trees are already falling. Look at there. No more leaves now. Look at this. Tree is also, all the leaves are falling, and some leaves here are turning to brown, and there are still some yellow here, but this tree is already falling off the leaves. So maglalakad tayo guys, papunta doon. Okay, so ito yung aming tinatrabahuan araw-araw guys dito. This is it guys. So ito guys, it's coffee break, snack time, just relaxing. After the break, we will proceed again to our work. So let's go. Continue working until 5 o'clock. It depends on your duty. Guys, this is the way. So dito guys, babalik ulit sa trabaho. Maghihila ng mga trolley na punong-puno ng mga bedsheets at mga labahan. So ganyan ang buhay housekeeper guys. Mahirap. So dito, nag-imbak na naman ang mga labahan. Separate ang mga labahan. So ngayon, nandito ako na-assign sa ironing section. So pag Tuesday, dito ako nagpa-plancha ng mga uniform, ironing the workers' uniform for the housekeeper, for the chief cook, for the service crew of the kitchen. So kailangan neat talaga at makintab ang pagpaplantsa. The red is for the housekeeper and the gray is for the restaurant crew. So this is also the apron of the chef for the housekeeper. So lahat dito kailangan ipaplantsa. So kung ma-assign ka, kailangan mo talaga ayusan pagplantsa kasi kinokontrol yan. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking mga naplantsa. So ironing is done. Dito, ito ang buhay housekeeper. So ito yung mga gray sa mga service crew sa restaurant. Ang hirap magpaplantsa kasi kailangan makintab ang pagkaplantsa. Kailangan mo yung plantsahin ang mga pantalon, mga t-shirt at mga tablecloth ng restaurant. So ito, mission accomplished. Tapos na. Magkakapi ulit kasi tapos na ang aking trabaho sa pagpaplantsa. So mag-relax muna. So konting oras na lang. Pagkatapos magtrabaho, ito yung aking pang-stampel. So bago ka mag-exit, kailangan mo mag-stampel para ma-record yung mga oras mo na pinagtrabahuan. So, ito yung aming hideout sa mga housekeeper. Dito kami nag-break, nag-lunch break, nag-coffee break. So, libre dito ang pagkain sa Eurostrand. So, walang problema sa pagkain kasi maraming pagkain. So, hindi ka magugutom. Basta magtrabaho at kumain, guys.
Wait na tayo.
So, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you get an idea on what is the work of a housekeeper in a hotel. Kahit sa ang hotel, ganyan pa rin ang trabaho. So, ito yung aming wardrobe. So, yan ang lalagyan na ng aming mga damit. Pagkatapos aming trabaho, ilagay namin dun sa labahan. So, kung sino ang ma-assign,
siya na naman ang maglalaba at magpa-plancha kinabukasan. Okay? So, thank you for watching. If you like this vlog, just leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Raptel sa Vlogs. See you soon. Bye-bye.